Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. In this video, I'm going to share very beautiful, pretty, stylish, and elegant patterns of hand embroidery that could be specifically designed onto your shirts, t-shirt, or any type of woven, handmade, or a blended fabric or a linen blended fabric. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos because subscribers are very important. And if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from a number of other devices. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and design ideas and sharing the creativity is to share ideas along with recent trends and opinions with the lovers of, with the beginners of, with the likers of hand embroidery. So I hope that you have liked the ideas and designs of today's video. And if you like them, then you can try them. And if you have tried any of the design pattern, let us know in the comment section. And in the comment section, let us know with your choices, likes and dislikes, so that we can get to know what you want us to share with you in our new and recent upcoming videos. Until then, guys, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, stay blessed and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel.